Hey boos, so we're in a little different setting today. We're in my kitchen, and today we are going to be having a special Valentine's Day video. And we're going to be making chocolate covered strawberries. Yes, I love these, and I'm making them for my boyfriend, but you can make them for yourself if you do not have somebody on Valentine's Day, because there was many times when I didn't have someone on Valentine's Day, but luckily for the past 4 Valentines I've had one. So I'm going to be making them for him and I, but if you don't have anyone, you can easily make them for yourself. So I went to the store and I took you guys with me. So here's that footage. Okay, so I just cleaned off my car, which was a very traumatic experience, honestly. I'll probably have to write a book about it or something. But yeah, it was pretty bad. So now I'm on my way to the store to get the ingredients, and I will see you there. For 2 things, but I get my kombucha refilled, bitch. So that is what we're going to do. Okay guys, I'm back in the car. Oh my god, my hand sanitizer. I read that the Ghirardelli chocolate is the best to use. I need to pull out person. God. Why the fuck do people, why would they do that? Why would they park like that? Oh my god, I look like I'm bald. And I'm about to hit this man. He needs to move. What the fuck is he doing? Was walking over the white line and I'm at a turn, and there's another turn lane next to me. So now I'm gonna go get my coffee from Dunkin' Donuts, of course. Starbucks, we don't know her. Sorry.
Good afternoon. Would you like to find my platter?
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Can you please get a large cold brew with French vanilla and 4 cream. No sugar, please. I love coming to this Dunkin' Donuts in my town. I always feel so bad because they know who I am every time, because they said that I'm the only person that has ever asked them how they are. Which is really sad. So sad how people just aren't nice anymore. Literally always wear my sunglasses too. They're probably gonna be surprised to see me without my sunglasses. Probably think I'm blind or something. How would I be driving then? So now it is time to make the chocolate covered strawberries. And if you hear any weird noises in the background like that, or anything, there are literally like 25 animals in my house. It's a bird. Shut up, Milan. Let's get started. Okay guys, so I have all the ingredients right here. The strawberries, they were buy one get one free, yes. So I got the Ghirardelli classic white chocolate chips. And they didn't have milk chocolate chips, so I just got the semi-sweet chocolate chips. And for a little special bonus, I got some little rainbow little sprinkles. Oh, I love them. They're so cute. They didn't have heart ones, so that's what I was going to get, is the heart ones, but of course they didn't have them. My kombucha is in a jug because I'm sick and I'm addicted to kombucha. And of course my reusable bag, my Halloween one. I love Halloween. It's my favorite holiday, so I always use this. So actually, first things first, start the double boiler for the chocolate. And now I'm gonna go fill these 3/4 of the way full. I know why I said 3/4. It's 1/4. So like just a little bit. You don't want the water to touch the dishes that you're using. You gotta use a glass dish. Jesus Christ. Got a glass bowl. Why is this open? Got a glass bowl to rest on top of there. Perfect. And then I guess we'll just use this one and this one. Perfect. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have the glass bowls on top of the pots. So once this water starts to boil, I'll put the chocolate up here and that's how it melts to perfection. So now we're back at the counter and it's time to wash off the strawberries. So I have this paper towel laid out and now I'm gonna wash them. They're actually pretty strawberries. I'm surprised I've like found nice ones and they weren't all picked over. So we just wash them off and then lay them here, just like that. So we're patting them dry. So now that we have the strawberries done, we're gonna go ahead and melt the chocolate. And I'm using the big one for the regular chocolate and the smaller one for the white chocolate. Oh, they smell really good. Look at that. Yum. Okay. So just put them in there for the white chocolate chips. Fun. Okay, so I got 2 of these like little spatulas. Now I'm back here at the countertop. I need to take some parchment paper and I need to lay that out. So now we have an area for them once the chocolate is ready. Get a little bowl and put the sprinkles in them. These sprinkles are so cute. I just transferred these to a fresh, dry paper towel. I'm going to pat them dry again. What they say on the website is use toothpicks to put the strawberries into the chocolate. So I'm going to get a couple of these out. Okay, so here's the chocolate. And now that we have all of this done, it's time to dip the strawberries beach. Oh my gosh, let's do this. Okay, so I'm gonna take this strawberry first, put a toothpick right through the top of it. Now I'm gonna do this one half and half. Now I want to do one with sprinkles. Wow, oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to put the camera up here for a little bit so you guys can actually see me in this video. But I do have a story I did want to put out on the social media, but I didn't want to like do Snapchat. I was literally so sad that one day, the woman at Dunkin' Donuts that I always go to, she's Indian, and one time, I always go through the drive-thru and she's so sweet. One time I couldn't go through the drive-thru because there was just too much of a line and I had to get somewhere. And I go inside, and you're not even gonna believe what happened. I went inside, there was this woman in front of me in the line with her husband. And just to give you preface on what this woman looked like, not judging her, but I am going to judge her because of what she did. And she had a purple shirt on that said, "The only thing I love more than my tattoos is my children." So I get in there and this woman speaks perfectly fine. Like, I understood her anytime she's talked to me. There's never been a barrier of any sort. And she's taking their orders. This woman keeps going,
"What? What'd you say?"
And like, I understood her perfectly. It was like $8 or something. This woman turns around to me, rolls her eyes. I have my sunglasses on like I always do. He goes, "Muslims." I was like, huh? She had the audacity to turn around to me and go, "Muslims." So I get up to there. She probably thought I was going to go along with the whole gig, like, oh yeah. But no, I'm not racist towards anyone. I love people no matter what you look like, no matter what religion you are. I'm getting really Sick and tired of people thinking that being Muslim is a race. Like, are you fucking kidding me? She wasn't wearing a hijab or anything. It was just the color of her skin. I was like, oh, I've got to say something. I've got to. So I go up there and I'm really nice to her because I see this woman almost like every day. She's so sweet. And I think she's the manager there too, honestly. I go up there and I order my cold brew like normally. And she goes and makes my coffee. Well, I get my coffee before this racist bitch. And she was like, I get my coffee and I'm like, thank you so much. And I'm about to walk out the door and she's like,
why the fuck did she get her coffee before us?
so I was like, oh, I'm not keeping my mouth shut anymore now that you brought me into the situation. So it's pretty obvious. I mean, they had 2 people. I had 1 drink. I don't know what they ordered. They obviously got a drink each, you know? But I was like, oh, it's game time now. So as I'm walking out the door, you know like how you start to get those shakes, like when you know you're about to say something that, you know, could possibly be an issue? And I was like, maybe if you weren't such a racist piece of shit, you would have gotten your coffee. And I walked out. I mean, it's the truth. What else was I supposed to say, you know? Yeah, I don't let people act like that around me. If you want to be disgusting like that, then do it in your own home. Not around me. Because I literally won't. Because I was going to say something regardless. That was such a crazy story that happened to me. Not like so crazy. Honestly, it's something that really happens today in America, which is really sad, but it was my first time really like having someone have the nerve to like say it to me, even though they have no idea who I am. But I couldn't believe it. I was like, did this really just happen to me? But then again, this is America. I just always wonder, I'm like, how does someone have the like audacity to like say that? Who would do that? Why did that woman feel so comfortable enough to turn around to me, roll her eyes and go, Muslims? I think we all know why, but I'm not gonna say. Yeah, let's get off depressing topics. I just really wanted to have that out there somewhere because it was just so surprising to me. But then again, I guess it's not. Just so sad. Anyways, strawberries are turning out really good. I love cooking. I'm really good at cooking. At least that's what everyone tells me. I'm Italian, so I have to live up to my Italian name. Yeah, and I'm literally a baker. Like, that's literally my last name. So, kind of have to be good at this shit.
It's a piece of bake to bake a pretty cake. If you won't be lazy, gotta do the cooking by the book.
Now use a recipe. The cake will look crazy. Why am I singing that? Probably because James had it in his video.
Hi, sisters!
I'm literally so surprised no one's gotten home yet and fucked up my video. Like, this must be a sign from God saying that I need to post this video, and trust me, God, I know. No. Okay, guys, so I'm almost done the strawberries. Sorry if this has been boring just staring at me. I know you came to this video just for the strawberries. It's okay. Me too, honestly. So I'm going to take you down here, and I'm just going to speed around through these, and then I'll talk to you when they're done. And here are the finished strawberries. We have the just white chocolate ones, the chocolate ones, chocolate and white chocolate ones, white chocolate and sprinkles, regular chocolate, white chocolate, and just sprinkles on the tip. Chocolate with the white chocolate drizzled on it is the white chocolate with the regular chocolate drizzled on it. What do you guys think?
Nice, yeah.
No, not yet. I just finished them.
Oh, wow.
Ghirardelli chocolate, bitch.
Nice.
Yep, my baby brother. Mwah. I love him so much. And he's excited to try these chocolate covered strawberries, isn't that right?
Yeah.
Did you just see you had a long day at school, right?
Yeah. Sucks.
Yeah, fuck school, right, Ethan? I'll put all of Ethan's links down in the bottom, and I'll put it on the screen. Go follow him. He wants to become a YouTuber so he can drop out of school. So, no, I'm kidding. Ready, guys? Here's the taste test of the strawberries.
Yum, yum.
We have just a regular chocolate one. Mukbang.
I want chocolate strawberries.
You don't like chocolate?
Uh-oh.
Okay, well, here, set that one down. Ethan! What are you doing?
I don't think
chocolate is a good idea to put strawberries.
Okay, that was a really bad taste test to do because he doesn't like chocolate covered strawberries. I totally
I
forgot.
can do mukbang for you. You can follow me on my YouTube channel.
Oh, they turned out so good. Turned out really good. Really good and fresh, sister.
Stop it, James Charles.
Hi, sisters.
Transferred them over onto a pan, and now I'm going to stick them in the fridge, and they'll be ready tomorrow for Valentine's Day. Hey guys, and as you can see, we're back up in my filming area, my little beauty space, and I wanted to come up here just to do my outro because it's getting really loud downstairs. It's about 6 o'clock now, so it's, you know, it's that time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you make these chocolate covered strawberries. You can do really so much with them, and they're really fun to make. You can even add like nuts onto them, toasted coconut, whatever type of sprinkles you want. They're a really sweet gift. I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day wherever you are, whether you have a Valentine or not. It doesn't matter. Make these for yourself or make them for your loved one. Whatever you want to do. And if you did like this video, I would really appreciate it if you left a thumbs up and subscribe down below and hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Happy Valentine's Day, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. When your Valentine is sick.
Fuck, I'm crying now.
Don't cry, babe. I made you a Valentine's Day treat.
Sorry, I'm trying to hold that in.
I'm so sorry.